The most important part of a setup is the build. This PC is featuring a 9800X3D, an RTX 5070, but if you think that's cool, let me show you something even cooler. The build. This PC is featuring a 9950X3D. It's fully water-cooled and it has a water-cooled 9070 XT in it. But if you think that's cool, wait till you see the build. This thing for some reason has 5 freaking RTX 5090s in it, fully water-cooled, and it's ready for whatever AI development tasks you want to throw at it. But if you thought that was cool, let me show you the build. This is a Night Reaper. It's got a 9800X3D. It's got an RTX 5080 in it and a fully custom case print on it, but I wouldn't be doing you any favors if I didn't show you the build. This is the Z Tower. It's got a Dahab 5080 in it. It's fully water cooled on the CPU side as well, and it comes in this beautiful Z-frame case, but that's not even the coolest thing I want to show you today. I need to show you the build. If you're going to be doing a lot of streaming and things like that, you want to make sure you have a nice PC to go along with your streaming setup, which is why we have this beautiful system featuring a 9800X3D and a Founders RTX 5080 card in it. But you know what? I forgot to show you the build. This PC's straight out of 1999. It's not fully water cooled. It does not have a 9800X3D, and it definitely doesn't have an RTX 5080 in it. But you know what it does have? Heart. The build.